We've just completed this leather look bed head, which is a great little DIY project you can complete over a weekend.
You can customise it for the kids' room, for your room, or even for the guest bedroom, so let's show you how to do it. First up, you'll need your sheet of plywood, your staple gun and staples, vinyl material,
Selleys Quick Grip, water-based, scissors, jigsaw, 120 grit sandpaper,
a pencil and tape measure, adhesive spreader, hammer, nail and string,
level, a trimmer, drop sheet and dust brush,
a rag and some safety glasses. First things first, we're going to mark the shape of our bed head onto the ply.
We're going to make a queen size bed head, so marking out 1650, but you can make it any size you like.
We are cutting a curve around the top of our bed head, and I've got a little tip to make sure that we end up with a perfect circle. Find the center of the width of your bed head, which for us it's 825, and now we'll measure down from the top that same dimension. X marks the spot, that's where we're going to put a nail, and then we'll just use our string to mark that perfect circle.
We're all marked out, so it's time to cut, and the best tool for cutting a curve is a jigsaw.
Once you've made your cuts, you might find you get a few splintery edges. That's when you get your sandpaper and simply work your way around taking off those splintery bits. Or what we're going to do is use the trimmer and create a nice round edge so our fabric will roll over nicely.
I've chosen this leather look vinyl, and what we're going to do is lay it out and cut it to suit with about 50mm overhang.
Our bed head is definitely taking shape, and now it's time to use Selleys Quick Grip.
So this contact adhesive is designed for bonding large, flat, close-fitting surfaces, so it's going to be perfect for our vinyl.
They come in 500ml tubs or these 50ml tubes, which are perfect to keep in the drawer for those little fixes around the house. We're going to apply the adhesive to both surfaces, so we're going to put it on our ply and on the back of the vinyl. Now the trick is here to get really good coverage and spread it out so it's nice and even. Then we'll leave it for 20 minutes until that white glue turns to clear, and we'll bring both surfaces together. Now it's time to bring both of these surfaces together, and what's great about the Quick Grip is that as soon as they touch, they'll form an instant bond, so there's no need for clamps.
Once you've laid your two surfaces together, push down firmly to ensure you have good contact.
Next up, we're going to flip over the bed head to secure the ends of the felt. I'm using the staple gun to pin the ends of the vinyl down, and that's a great way to hold the material in place while the glue sets. Right, let's flip it and take a look. There we go, beautiful.
Nice.
All right, let's get in the room.